Oi Goat by Cass Gray and Jim Field for World Book Day. Oi Goat, put on a coat, said the frog. Why do you want me to put on a coat? Asked the goat. I've actually got a coat, a long shaggy one. It's World Book Day, said the frog. Everyone dresses up on World Book Day. Cats put on hats, said the cat. Dogs put on clogs, said the dog. And goats put on coats, said the frog. What do flies put on? Asked the goat. Flies put on ties, said the frog. Flies put on ties, bees put on skis, ants put on pants, and ptarmigans put on cardigans. What does a llama put on? Asked the goat. A suit of armor, said the frog. Wow, that's a whole costume, said the goat. I know, said the frog. On World Book Day, some animals really go for it. Canaries dress as fairies, said the dog. Gators dress as waiters, said the cat. Some animals even dress as characters from children's books, said the frog. Buffaloes dress as gruffalos, said the dog. Otters dress as Harry Potters, said the cat. Collies dress as Where's Wally's, said the frog. It certainly sounds a lot of fun, said the goat. Well, Book Day is a lot of fun, said the frog, especially if you're good at dressing up. Who have you dressed up as? Asked the goat. I'm a prince who got turned into a frog, said the frog. Genius, said the goat.